How you doing everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name's Udall. I'm here to help you develop and improve your country guitar playing. Today I'm going to show you a country guitar lick which is beginner friendly. It's in the key of G and it uses the G country scale. Now if you're not familiar with the country scale, it's similar to a major pentatonic except it adds an additional note. The pentatonic has 5 notes. The country scale has 6. Here is an example of both. And here is an example of the lick that I'm going to show you today. If you're a beginner guitar player who's looking to get started with country guitar playing, this is a really good place to begin as it's a very common lick, often used by some of the greats including Albert Lee, Brent Mason and more. I'm going to break this down slowly so that we can get you started on your country guitar learning journey. However, if you are a beginner guitarist, feel free to check out my free course which is added in the description below. You'll also find a tab to this lick that I'm going to demonstrate today. So we're going to start off by playing the 3rd fret of the low E string. We're then going to play the open A string. We're then going to play fret 1 of the A string and then hammer on to fret 2. From the beginning, that sounds like this. I'm then going to play the open D string. Then I'm going to pull off from the 2nd fret of the D string to the open D string. From the top, that sounds like this. To end this lick, we're going to play the G string. So rhythmically, what's happening is we're playing the first half of the beat on the 1st note. Then we have 2 semiquavers on the 2nd half of the beat. So rhythmically that will sound like this. 1 and Then we're going to play 4 semiquavers, so that's 4 equal notes in one beat. So rhythmically, that would be vocalized as 1 and 2 E and Then we're going to play a crotchet which lasts for 1 beat. We're going to play that on beat 3. Altogether, rhythmically, it would sound like this. 1 and 2 E and 3. Rest. So we're resting on beat 4, or you can let that note ring through. So I'm going to show you how I'm approaching the picking directions on the right hand. I'm starting off with a downstroke. Then I'm playing down, up, and then hammering my left hand finger on, so I don't need the pick there. So that's down, down, up, hammer. Then I'm playing an upstroke on the open D string, downstroke on the 2nd fret of the D string, pull off, so no pick there, and then a downstroke on the open G string. So down, down, up, hammer, up, down, pull, down. Thank you for tuning in everyone. I hope that was useful to those of you who are just getting started in a country guitar style. Don't forget that you can grab the tab in the description below, and if you're a very beginner, you can grab my free course that will help you get started in your guitar playing journey. As always, have a lovely day and I will see you in the next video.